Hi everyone and welcome to FreeCAD Newbie. In this series, we are going to draw a ceiling exhaust fan. Mine suddenly stopped working several days ago, so I decided to measure and model it in FreeCAD. As you can see, the shape is pretty simple, so it's still doable for newbie like me. However, there are several details in its top and bottom grills, which make this a good challenge for learning material. Let me explode this assembly so each part is separated. In this model, the exhaust fan consisted by several parts. From bottom to top, there is the engine cover, the main body, the motor, the fan blade, and finally, the fan cover. We will do each part one by one, then we'll assemble it using Assembly 4 Workbench. We'll also make a simple animation to make the fan blade rotating like this. Before we start drawing, we need to install the Assembly Workbench. Click Menu Tool, then Add-on Manager. Search for Assembly 4. Then install it. You might need to restart FreeCAD to make it active. Once installed, we are ready to draw, so let's continue to the next video.